Body Scan Guided Meditation, Complete Relaxation. Hello, welcome to my guided body scan meditation. This practice is designed to help you relax each part of your body and to bring awareness to the present moment. Whether you are new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, this session is perfect for relaxation and reconnecting with yourself. Let's get started and see how it works. Let's begin by finding a comfortable place where you can lie down on your back, on a mat on the floor, a bed, or any flat surface. If you prefer, use a pillow under your head. Make sure that you are comfortable and your environment is suitable for relaxation. As you settle in, gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to relax your whole body. While breathing in, fill your lungs completely and then slowly exhale. With each breath, feel your body becoming lighter and more relaxed. Let your thoughts drift away as you focus on your breathing. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath and how your body moves with each inhale and exhale. Begin focusing on the tips of your toes. Notice any sensations you feel there. Warmth, coolness, tingling, or perhaps nothing at all. Don't judge or try to change these feelings. Just observe them. Slowly move your awareness up to your feet. Feel the weight of your feet, the contact they make with the surface under you. Gradually shift your attention to your lower legs and shins. What do you feel here? Let your mind hover over each area for some time to notice how it feels. Then breathe into that space. As you exhale, imagine any tension melting away. Move up to your knees, then your thighs. Notice the heaviness of your legs and the support from the surface below. Bring your awareness to the hips and pelvis area. Feel the solidity of your pelvis supporting the weight of your upper body. Move to your lower back. This area often holds tension, so take a moment to breathe deeply into it. Feel the tension melt away with each exhale. Now bring your focus up to your stomach and chest. Notice the rise and fall with each breath. Feel the life energy in the form of your breath nourishing every part of your body. Shift your focus to your fingers, hands, and wrists. Are there any sensations? perhaps some warmth or a pulse. Slowly move up your arms, from your forearms to your elbows and then to your upper arms. Observe any sensations or discomfort. When you reach your shoulders, take a deep breath and let any tension flow away as you exhale. Now gently bring your attention to your neck. This is another area where we hold a lot of tension. Breathe into your neck, and as you breathe out, feel the tension leaving your body. Move up to your face, your jaw, your mouth, your nose, your eyes. Soften each part with your breath. Finally, focus on your forehead, the top of your head. Imagine your thoughts like clouds in the sky, simply passing by without affecting the vastness of the sky. To conclude, take a few deep breaths. Feel your entire body at once, relaxed and vibrant with energy. Notice the calmness in your mind and relaxation in your body. Gently start moving your fingers and toes, slowly bringing movement back to your body. When you are ready, open your eyes. Remember, this practice can be a retreat that you can return to at any time, providing peace and relaxation. Thank you for joining me in this body scan meditation. Continue to practice daily to deepen inner peace and realize its benefits.